During this mini course preview, I'll demonstrate a task that's essential for all digital photo organizing projects: separating out undated photos. Photos without a date in the EXIF DateTimeOriginal field. I'll show you how this task is done using my demonstration collection, which is most of a real collection I organized for a client. It includes over 140,000 files from 10 different sources. An undated photo is one with no EXIF DateTimeOriginal, and they pose a problem because each one will display a capture date in Lightroom Classic and other applications used by professional photo organizers. Now you'll see how quickly and efficiently this can be done, but of course I need to blur parts of the video to protect the course secrets. I've set the scan criteria to include the EXIF DateTimeOriginal field, which I convinced the developers to add in late 2023. On the Scan Location tab, I've already added the source folders, so now I'll start the scan. When the undated photos are moved, all folder structure will be preserved. So for maximum benefit, this task needs to be done while the folder structure is still intact. My digital file management course includes 19 time-saving tasks, including this one, which I think is the most important one. The previous clip was sped up, but the scan took just 37 seconds. Here are all the scan results, and now I'll mark those without an EXIF DateTimeOriginal. Almost 10,000 photos have no EXIF DateTimeOriginal, and 85% of those are JPEGs. Using the File Removal tab, I'll send those undated photos to a destination folder. I'll use Directory Opus to show you the undated photos because it's great for showing the folder structure. The folder structure will be recreated in the Undated Photos folder as the files move. This clip has been sped up. I'll refresh the display, then show you the important information that was preserved by keeping the folder structure intact. As you can see, many folder names include valuable date information. And this client wants information she added to be preserved, so words and folder names will later be added as keywords. Preserving our client's stories can only be done if date information is preserved, and that's only possible when folder structure is preserved. Efficiency is key to profitability, so my courses teach a very efficient workflow. Only applications for PC enable Pro Photo organizers to move files while preserving folder structure, as well as view, sort, and filter by metadata fields that are hidden in other applications. I hope you'll check out other videos on my YouTube channel to learn more about photo date metadata and my Legacy Workflow series courses. If you take this course and decide to upgrade, you'll get a credit for the cost of the course.